Welcome to Defense News Plus. The Ordnance Factory Board has announced that it won an export order to supply 5.56 by 45 mm NATO M193 ball ammunitions to the USA. The ammunition will be manufactured at the Ordnance Factory Waragaon and will be supplied in the current financial year. Sources said that this order yet again proves compliance of products with international standards. The Ordnance Factory Board carries out 100% input material inspection in accordance with Indian standard, British standard, Joint Services Specification and military standards. The Ordnance Factory Board randomly conducts simulated and accelerated test which is approved by the Directorate General Quality Assurance DGQA and assesses shelf life of ammunition. Sources added that additionally the system of early user exploitation from random samples from each manufactured lot of ammunition introduced in December 2013 has shown a satisfaction level matching with international standards. The Ordnance Factory Board has again proved its mettle in manufacturing quality defense products, which helped the Kolkata-based defense manufacturer to bag an order for exporting ammunitions to United States of America. It is learned that in the export range of products, the Ordnance Factory Board exports arms and ammunitions, weapon, chemicals and explosives, parachutes, leather and clothing items to more than 30 countries worldwide, including Germany, Belgium, Turkey, Egypt, Israel, Indonesia, Bangladesh. Next update, Russia's latest MiG-35 multi-role fighter at final stage of trials, says Defense Contractor Directorate at the MiG Aircraft Corporation. Mushek Baloyan told on Thursday that Russia's latest Mikoyan MiG-35 4++ generation multi-role fighter jet is conducting its final trial. Baloyan also said that the MiG-35 is at the stage of state joint trials and a preliminary certificate has been obtained for launching the production of a pilot batch of the aircraft. The flight personnel are fond of the plane, which is easy to operate and that helps a lot. Issues arise in the process of aircraft's operation and we are promptly ironing them out together with our customer. The latest MiG-35 4++ generation multi-role fighter is a follow-up of the MiG-29K, KUB and the MiG-29M and M2 model. The cutting-edge combat plane is undergoing flight test and displayed its capabilities to potential foreign customers in January 2017. The MiG-35 is made of to operate in areas of highly intense armed conflicts under an enemy's dense and multi-layered air defenses. Next update, the Drugs Controller General of India DCGI has approved the emergency use of drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose 2-DG as an adjunct therapy in moderate to severe COVID-19 patients. DRDO said that clinical trial results have shown that this molecular helps in faster recovery of hospitalized patients and reduces supplemental oxygen dependence. Being a generic molecule and analog of glucose, it can be easily produced and made available in plenty. Higher proportion of patients treated with 2-DG showed RT-PCR negative conversion in COVID patients. In April 2020, INMAS and DRDO scientists started laboratory experiments with the help of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology CCMB, Hyderabad, and this molecule works effectively against SARS-CoV-2 virus and inhibits the viral growth. The Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science INMAS, a lab of Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, has developed the drug in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad, DCGI, Central Drugs Standard Control Organization CDSCO, permitted for Phase 2 clinical trial of 2DG in COVID-19 patients in May 2020. In Phase 2 trials, the drug was proved to be safe in COVID-19 patients and showed significant improvement in their recovery. Phase 2 trial was conducted in 6 hospitals and Phase 2B trial was conducted at 11 hospitals all over the country. It is said in a statement, in efficacy trend, the patients treated with 2DG showed faster symptomatic cure than standard of care SOC on various endpoints. The drug comes in powder from sachet, which is taken orally. By dissolving it in water, it accumulates in the virus-infected cells and prevents virus growth by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. In another update, as per the news from NDTV, a Navy spokesperson said a minor fire broke out on board the Indian Navy aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya, which was at Karwar Harbour on Saturday. The fire was doused and all personnel on board are safe. The duty staff observed smoke emanating from the part of the warship having accommodation for sailors. The ship's duty personnel acted promptly to fight the fire. All personnel on board accounted for and no major damage has been reported. The warship is a modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier acquired by India in 2013 and was renamed in the honor of Vikramaditya, the legendary emperor. In another update, the Indian Army ordered the private industry to design and develop a portable helipad. A portable helipad is a makeshift structure which includes subunits that can be easily transported, assembled and deassembled to provide a temporary place for helicopters to land and take off. They are cost-effective and can be used in places that don't require the construction of a permanent helipad or when time is a critical factor. Besides military operations, portable helicopters have immense scope for deployment during disaster relief operations and also for internal security duties. It is said that portable helicopters should capable to bear the weight all types of helicopters including Chinook and Apache. An initial requirement of 50 portable helicopters measuring 25 by 25 meters has been issued, and larger size of 100 by 100 meters would be projected later. The heliboard operations is a critical dimension for success by ensuring surprise, rapid troop deployment, offensive air support, airborne surveillance, tactical flexibility, and logistics support. The construction of helipads in an operationally constrained time frame in the desert, semi-desert, mountainous, and coastal areas therefore becomes an important task for the Army's combat engineers. A team of 10 personnel should make one portable helipad after surface preparation within 90 minutes, and the entire equipment including subunits and assembly tools should be transportable in one truck. That's it for the day. Please like, share this video and do subscribe this channel. Post your valuable comments below. Thank you.